Is it possible to make requests and requests underscore cache work together? Look at this code. I would expect that after executing this I will find blad.sqlite file in the current directory and executing will be much faster because data will be taken from SQLite cache. Unfortunately, this is not true. File wasn't created at all and there is no speedup. When I use requests instead of grequests, everything works fine. So the question is, a title says, is it possible to make requests and requests underscore cache work together? And if yes, how?
The requests underscore cache.install underscore cache function patches requests part session, but you already imported requests, which used. As such, requests never uses the patched session object. Move the import to after you installed the cache. Alternatively, create a cache session object and pass that into the requests.get and related methods as the session parameter. Take into account that the cache storage backend may not be able to handle the concurrent access safely. The SQLite backend uses a thread lock, for example, which might well clash.
If you want to collaborate, clase considers serving.